Hi guys, and welcome back to Cranberry Crafts. Today we're going to be teaching you how to make a cute keychain. Please subscribe and give a big thumbs up. Enjoy! Okay guys, so to make our cute keychain, we're going to need some bead thread like so. We suggest using thin thread so it can go through your beads easier. Then we are going to use some regular scissors and some beads. We are going to use wooden beads and a gold bead so the thread can go through easily. And we're also going to need a keychain like so.
2, 1, go.
Okay guys, to start off, we're going to need 45 centimeters of bead thread, and we are going to cut it so we have 45 centimeters of bead thread, which I had prepared earlier. Okay, so once you've got your 45 centimeters of bead thread, you're going to put both ends together like so. And you're going to grab the other end and put your 2 fingers in it and loop it around, making sure these 2 ends are still together. While you got them together, you're going to put your finger in it to hold it. You're going to get your keychain. Okay, so once you've done that, you're going to undo it, holding it tight. Then with the other hand, you are going to open it up with your fingers and put it on like so. Then you're going to move it around so it is in the center, and you're going to pull it tight.
2, 1, go.
Okay, so once you have got your keychain with the thread on it, you're going to grab one of your beads. I chose pink first for a color order I like. Okay, so I'm going to start with the left side. So you are going to get your bead and thread it through like so. Then you're going to put it down, holding the bead still so it doesn't roll away. Then you're going to get your other side and thread it through the exact same. So once you have threaded them both through, you're going to grab either end and you're going to pull it tight so it matches up with the keychain. Then you're going to grab next color and you're going to start with the opposite side. So I started with left, so now I'm going to start with right. So you're going to put the right one straight through like so. Like so. And then you're going to put it down, holding it still so it doesn't roll away. Then you are going to grab your other side and place it through like that. Then you're going to go grab both sides and pull it up nice and tight. Then you're going to grab your next color like this. Then you're going to grab your left side because you just did your right side first. You're going to put it through like that, and then you're going to hold it still and put it the other side straight through like so. Okay, then once you have got both sides, you're going to pull it tight and do it again with your next bead. Okay, so once you have done all the rest of your beads, you're going to grab both ends and tie it in a knot like so. Then you're going to tie it in 4 more knots so it is very tight.
2, 1, go.
Okay, so once you have tied it in 5 knots, you are going to get your scissors and you are going to cut very close, but not too close that you'll cut the knot. So you shall cut both sides like that, and then what you are going to do is you're going to tuck that thread all the way under, so when you hang it up like that, you won't see the knotting. And that is how you make your cute keyring.
Please subscribe and give a big thumbs up. Next on Cranberry Crafts, we shall be teaching you how to create your very own outside wool hanger.